Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to graduate from Kikoff's credit builder loan. Alright, let's get straight into it. The first thing you got to do is to meet the graduation requirements, and the first of that is to ensure that you've made all payments on time every time for the duration of the loan. And also you need to pay off the loan balance in full, either through regular payments or a lump sum payment. You also need to keep your credit utilization ratio low, less than 30%, in order to demonstrate responsible credit behavior. Now, the graduation process is actually quite simple. First off, Kikoff is going to review your account to ensure that you meet the graduation requirements. And then once you've paid off the loan balance, Kikoff is going to confirm the payoff and update your account status. Also, Kikoff is going to report the loan payment payoff to the credit bureaus, which can help improve your credit score. And then Kikoff is going to notify you of your graduation from credit builder loan program. Now, a couple of post-graduation benefits. The first, of course, is improved credit score. So graduating from credit builder's loan program can help to improve your credit score. The second is increased credit limit. So you may be eligible for a credit limit increase or a new credit opportunity. The third, of course, is better loan terms. So with an improved credit score, you may be qualified for better loan terms, including lower interest rates and fees. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to graduate from Kikoff's credit builder loan. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.